So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing unable to connect to login server, the client will now close this error in your AION2. So guys, watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can follow these steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So watch this video till end and watch this video carefully. Run the launcher as administrator. First, right click AION to launcher or EXE. Second, choose run as administrator. Third, try login again. Second, fix delete game cache. For PC version, go to AION to installation folder and delete and this code. Then let the launcher repatch. Now the third fix is reinstall the launcher. Sometimes the launcher configuration is corrupt. First, uninstall AIUN2 launcher. Second, delete the folder in C/program file/AIUN2 or wherever you installed. Download a fresh launcher, install and reboot. I hope guys this fixes work for you. Do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.